This is the birthplace of the legendary F-16 Fighting Falcon. It begins here, with raw blocks of aerospace-grade aluminum and titanium.
Precision is mandatory. Tolerances are measured in microns.
Massive CNC machines carve the complex structural skeleton,
turning solid metal into lightweight, high-strength ribs.
Every single part is inspected immediately after fabrication.
Robots smooth the edges to prevent stress fractures.
Here, the backbone of the fighter begins to take shape.
Technicians hand-load the ribs into the vertical assembly jigs.
In the clean room, the wings are born.
Carbon fiber layers are stacked to create immense strength.
The parts are baked under extreme pressure in an autoclave.
The aluminum frame is coated in green anti-corrosion primer.
Robots drill thousands of fastener holes with perfect spacing.
Skilled riveters attach the aluminum skin to the frame.
Every rivet must be perfectly flush for aerodynamics.
The forward fuselage, housing the cockpit, is complete.
Simultaneously, the center fuselage takes shape nearby.
Nose, center, and tail, ready to become one.
Heavy cranes lift the center section for the marriage. Laser alignment ensures the join is accurate to the millimeter.
Massive bolts permanently lock the airframe sections together.
The F-16 is now a single, unified structure.
Next comes the nervous system of the aircraft.
Over 10 miles of wiring are routed by hand through the jet.
Hydraulic lines are installed to power the flight controls.
Fuel systems are connected and double-checked for leaks.
The distinctive vertical stabilizer is finally lowered into place. The Falcon finally earns its wings.
Watch your clearance on the starboard side.
Okay, slowing the hoist now. Clear.
It must withstand the impact of landing at 150 knots.
Hydraulics are cycled, up and down. Perfectly smooth.
The heart of the beast, the F-110 turbofan engine.
The engine is carefully slid into the fuselage bay, producing 29,000 pounds of thrust. It must be secure. The variable exhaust nozzle is fitted to the rear. In the nose, the AESA radar gives the pilot superhuman vision. The radome seals the sensitive electronics. Structurally complete, it moves to the paint barn.
The jet is masked to protect sensors from the spray.
Robots apply a radar-absorbing haze-gray coating.
The green primer is gone. Now, it looks like a weapon.
Final markings and squadron insignias are applied.
The ACES-2 ejection seat, the pilot's last resort.
The HUD projects critical data directly onto the glass.
The gold-tinted canopy deflects radar waves.
Torque wrench engaged. Check alignment on your side.
Looks good. Pylon secure. Bring the missile in slowly.
Factory complete. But is it flight ready?
Night falls. Time for the full engine run-up.
Afterburner engages! Raw power shakes the ground!
The test pilot steps up for the maiden flight.
Systems check. Oxygen check. Strap in.
The digital brain of the fighter comes alive. Cleared for taxi. The Viper is ready to hunt.
Throttles to maximum. Acceleration is instant.
Wheels up. Wheels up. The manufacturing journey is complete.
Agile, fast, and lethal.
Another F-16 tunes the fleet. Air dominance delivered.